Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to solve NCERT back exercise question number 3 from the chapter Partnership Fundamentals. In this question, two partners Harshad and Dhiman, they are in partnership since from 1st April 2006. There is no partnership agreement between them. They contributed rupees 4 lakh and 1 lakh as capital. Also, Harshad advanced an amount of rupees 1 lakh to the firm on 1st October 2006. Harshad could not participate in business activities from 1st August to September 30, 2006 due to long illness. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2006 given to rupees 1,80,000. There are some points on which they both does not agree and dispute has arisen. So how do we settle down the claim between Harshad and Dhiman? Harshad claims that he should be given interest at the rate of 10% per annum on capital and loan. Since there is no partnership deed, so according to Indian Partnership Act 1932, when there is no partnership deed, no partner shall be entitled to any kind of interest on capital. But he has given loan to the firm, so on that loan he should be given interest at the rate of 6% per annum instead of 10% per annum. He wants that profit should be given in proportion of capital, but here the profit should be distributed equally in the absence of partnership agreement. In this way, we satisfy the claim of Harshad. Other partner Dhiman, he wants that profit should be distributed equally, so profits can be given in an equal ratio, because as per Partnership Act 1932, when there is no agreement, there is a rule that profit should be distributed equally. He also wants remuneration for the period he managed the business in the absence of Harshad, but there is a rule that no partner is entitled to any kind of remuneration or salary when there is no partnership deed. So he won't be given salary or remuneration from the firm. He wants that interest on capital and loan should be allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. First one, interest on capital should not be allowed as already discussed, but interest on loan should be given at the rate of 6% to the partner who lent the loan to the firm. Here we need to prepare P&L appropriation account. So first we transfer the profit during the year 1,80,000 to the credit side of P&L appropriation account. Out of that profit only, we have to provide interest on partner's loan. As you know, Harshad has given loan to the firm, and on that loan he should be given interest at the rate of 6% per annum. He provided loan on 1st October. So from 1st October to 31st March, 6 months total interest you have to provide on rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 6%. So it will be 3,000 rupees. Then you see the total of credit side is 1,80,000 and the total of debit side is 3,000. So we are getting profit here, which is to be transferred to Harshad and Dhiman's capital account. So you write on the debit side to profit transferred to Harshad's capital account, Dhiman's capital account. After subtracting, we are getting here 1,77,000 and divide this profit in equal ratio. So we are getting here 88,500 for Harshad and 88,500 for Dhiman. So this is the question. Thank you everyone.